curve-billed thrasher is a common resident of the desert Southwest and frequent visitor to urban parks and backyard feeders. With a distinctive curved beak, yellow eyes, and sharp whistle call, this is an easily recognized bird. Curve-billed thrashers are common from southern Arizona into Mexico and also New Mexico and western Texas. They use their long curved beaks to forage for insects, spiders, fruits, and seeds. While generally shy birds, they're often seen out in the open running rapidly across yards and appear to adjust well to human activity. Both the male and female birds work together to build the nest of sticks in cactus and thorny shrubs as well as in urban planters. The female will lay 3 to 5 blue-green eggs that have brown speckles. Chicks hatch in 12 to 15 days and fledge in another 15 days. There can be 2 broods in a nesting season. Immature curve-billed thrashers have shorter beaks than the parent birds. However, they are capable of feeding themselves, but find it more convenient to follow the parent bird relentlessly, demanding to be fed. Curve-billed thrashers will aggressively drive away potential threats such as competition for food or predators of the chicks. Learn more about the curve-billed thrasher and other birds by downloading the free Merlin app. Details about the Merlin app, as well as other resources, are found in the description of this video. Happy birding! See you next time.